Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and I have, there it is, looking for my knife to open this bad boy up. So today we are opening up a ALLPOWERS R600. They are a big fan of mine. They've sent me the 1500 with their 200 watt solar panel kit, and they're sending me the 600 with the 100 watt. And this isn't super expensive. It's like 200, I think $299 for this, and if you want to add this to it, it's like $499, and that's the 100 watt. Well, let's open it up and let's see what all you get out of it. The 600 watt, I've done some experimenting in the past, and on like the e-bike side of it, and 600 watt is not enough to charge a 20 amp hour battery. It takes, did that come out of there? It takes about 1,000 watt motor or charger to charge this. This is cool, real clean. Claim your warranty today. So it's got your manual, your Facebook, and then your manual. Let me put that over here. What else you get in here? It's probably your charging stuff. Yep. So you can plug it into the wall, or you can plug it into your solar panel stuff. Here we go. A good place to put this. They usually have a little pocket in your solar panel kit that you can put this in. If you're wanting to keep those two together. All right, a little foam. Nice. They have a wireless charger on the top, which is really nice. There's only a few that I've seen that do that. So you can put like your earbuds, your cell phone. Not real heavy, which is nice. Anything else in here? If you're a content creator, life hack, keep these and put them in your camera bags. I have a bunch of them. I drown my drone all the time, so that's super heavy, which is really nice. See how heavy it is. It's 1 pound, 13 pounds. It's not terrible. I use this for weighing my backpack, gear and stuff. Let's here, come on down here and let's look at it together. All right, so what do we have? This can run your well. It won't run it for long, but it'll get you water if you do have a well. Looks like this is fairly waterproof. Oh yeah, that's always fun. Cigarette lighter. This is for charging with solar panels. Got lights. See how much they've given you. Nice, 92%, which is really cool because if you just open this up and you were in a situation where you would need it. What's back here? Where you can charge it, reset, and you can tie 2 of these together and make it stronger, which is cool. Solar input, fast charging USB, and they got USB-C with 100 watts. Light. Does that create heat? It does. Let's see. That is it. And I love these little chargers for, I mean, the stuff that you can charge with a 6 watt is plenty of small stuff, like your laptop, your cell phone, multiple times. You could charge you could run a very efficient refrigerator. Put this over here. Here's your solar panel. Now this is the 100 watt solar panel kit. Bring this bad boy up. Here's your solar panel stuff. You can tie solar panels together. They give you little extra parts if you're wanting to charge a different solar kit other than this one, so you don't have to buy just their stuff, which I'm sure they would want you to. And then this is for your legs, so you can adjust this to the sun. I like the orange, or Lord Jesus, I love the green. Let's open this bad boy up. Boom. This is nice. It's got little holders on the side here where you can hang this. And I'll show you what the 200 watt looks like. It's heavier, and there's 200 watt. This bad boy right here. Now if you put this on that, it wouldn't take no time for this bad boy to charge. It's got little places so you can put your lanyard. Boom. Close this up. It's got the same place where you can put this, where you can adjust it for your sun. if you live in an area where, same stuff, here's your charger, and you can charge more than just one. It also has, this one has a little bit more connections for different charges. But if you live in an area that gets tornadoes, hurricanes, this is just nice to have backup other than your generator. Keep those, all of them. But yeah, this is amazing. I love everything about solar generators and what they can do for you, especially when you're in a situation where we live out in the country. So I have lost power for 2 weeks, and it really gets you thinking about what you need to, it's not even a prepping thing, more of, it's smart for you to have like 2 weeks worth of food, a way to keep your refrigerator running, even for a week. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to say anything weird about like prepping or anything else. That's your journey. But when you do lose power for 2 weeks, it really kind of puts it in perspective. When I drove to Lowe's, which is like 17 miles during that Hurricane Matthew. There was trees down in the road. The road was flooded. There was no cops or anything. So as a community, we were just moving stuff out of the way while I was trying to get to Lowe's. I was in line for 2 hours, and they were bringing 18-wheelers with generators in there. And I'm sitting here looking, because I like to analyze and think that every one of us, none of us were prepared for this. It wasn't a very big storm. It was like category 2, but it rained for 24 hours before the hurricane came. So it just made everything really tough. And so and during that time, you're paying more money for product to get things. Gas went up, generators were more expensive, they didn't have any. You were in line and not sure if you were going to get one or not. And again, not putting any energy of bad. I just want to put energy of good and love and everything else. And I just want to keep you guys safe. It doesn't have to be this company, it can be any company. But just want y'all to, if you have an opportunity to purchase something to keep your family safe, for keeping the refrigerator running, keeping your phone on so you can see what's going on while you don't have power. Blah. I'm a Florida boy, born and raised, so we've dealt with hurricanes and tornadoes all the time. So having something like this is really cool. This is neat, 100%. I'm not taking it away from what it is. I think this right here would be something that I would use just charged and used. But if you're going 2 weeks, just taking the refrigerator stays cold for about 4 hours without opening before it starts to lose temperature. That this right here would charge itself about an hour and a half. So you would be, and the 200 watt one was much faster anyway. But you'd have something like this. You don't want to put this in direct sunlight, so when you're opening this up and charging it, keep it behind behind there, so the sun doesn't hit directly onto this. Because any of these chargers have a temperature rating like 14 Fahrenheit to I think like 96 Fahrenheit, so you don't want to put this in direct sunlight and it's black and gray, that you overheat this at all. But yeah, I like it. Wanted to share a story. And if you would like one of these, you can look in the description below, and let me see if I can find you a discount, work with the company, and see if I can save you some money. Appreciate y'all. And if you like this type of stuff, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell, and it'll tell you when I put out a new video. Thanks guys, appreciate y'all.